Hello dear student, myself Dr. Ganesh Pawar, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Shiv Chhatrapati College, Aurangabad. Today is our planning lecture, introductory lecture. In this lecture we will discuss the course structure, our course that is BSc Chemistry, which you have taken the admission for this course in our college. So first of all I would like to congratulate all the students who have taken the admission and opted BSc course and opted subject chemistry as for their graduation. So chemistry subject, it is basic science, isn't it, which is applied for the various purposes in the industries. So there is huge demand of skilled chemists. The knowledge of chemistry, the skills which we are learning in chemistry, the knowledge which we are getting in the while learning the chemistry, and approach which we are building while learning the chemistry, it is very useful to make a skilled chemist, a skilled manpower, isn't it? So there is huge demand of skilled chemists, skilled manpower in the industry. There is various job opportunity, and one can become a very skilled chemist, can get a reputed job in private sector as well as government service also. And again furthermore, one can become an entrepreneur. So it is entrepreneur, small scale entrepreneurship, it is encouraged by central government and state government also. So there are various policies of government for the entrepreneurship development. The student which are having the passion for the entrepreneurship, to build their own business, to build their own firm, isn't it? So that can be possible while learning the chemistry. So because whatever the products, there are various products. Right from the morning, we are using the products manufactured by the knowledge of chemistry, that is from toothpaste, cosmetics which are using, and right from medicines, isn't it? The materials, all types of the functional materials. For example, the lithium-ion battery which is used in our cell phones, that is also the application of electrochemistry, isn't it? So all the materials, all the goods, isn't it? So that while producing that goods, the knowledge of chemistry is used, isn't it? So these basic things already you have known, but we want to discuss. We want to develop a right approach. We want to develop various insights in the chemistry, in the field of chemistry. Therefore, I have planned this lecture, first lecture for the students of BSc first year. So, the students who have opted the course BSc Chemistry, it is degree course. After completing this course, the university will award you a degree, graduation degree to you. It is of 3-year tenures and 6 semesters, divided into 6 semesters. That is in first year there are 2 semesters, first and second semester, having duration 4 months, isn't it? 4 months. At the end of 4 months, the examination will be conducted by the university, isn't it? So in the semester pattern there are various subjects, various papers in the chemistry, various specializations paper in the chemistry, that is organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry. So these are the main 3 branches of chemistry you are learning in the BSc course. Again there is another branch of chemistry, that is analytical chemistry, separate branch of chemistry, which is also useful and which is more applicable for the students who are willing to work in the laboratories of various MNCs, various pharmaceuticals, isn't it? So in this lecture we will discuss the various opportunities, career opportunities in the chemistry. After doing the course BSc Chemistry, you will become a chemist. And now there is huge demand of skilled chemists, because without chemists there is no work in laboratories. Each industry, material industry, pharmaceutical industry, fine chemical industry have the quality control department, production department, research and development department, and this department require the skilled chemist for production purpose, for monitoring the quality control, isn't it? For quality assurance purpose, for quality control purpose, and so there is always huge demand. So, what are the skill sets required for the effective placement of students? That skill sets that we want to discuss. That whatever the knowledge you are getting in the BSc chemistry, then what is the skill which is required for placement, your placement, then what is exact approach to look further for our career advancement. So that we want to discuss, isn't it? So in this lecture we will discuss the course pattern. It is 3-year course, then having 6 semesters and divided into 3 years, that is first year, first, second and third. In first year there are 2 semesters, semester first and second, then third and fourth, fifth and sixth, isn't it? In first semester, semester first, there are 2 theory papers, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. And 1 practical paper, lab course 1, is that for 50 marks, then 50 marks. In second semester, again there are 2 theory papers, inorganic chemistry then physical chemistry and lab course 2. Now, mode of examination. For theory paper, examination is conducted at the end of semester, at the end of each semester. While for practical paper, for the lab course, examination is combined and it is annual. So for lab course 1 and lab course 2, this one, lab course 1 plus 2, 100 marks. Okay, 50. Theory paper. This is also theory paper. This is also theory. This is practical paper. Practical. For lab course 1 and lab course 2, 100 marks. Examination is conducted annually. And for theory paper, for this theory paper, examination is semester exam. Okay. Semester exam. At the end of after completion of course, after 4 months, there is examination conducted by the university. Our university is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, and students have to appear for the examination. This is for first year. Same for second year and third year. 2 theory paper, 2 practical papers. Difference is only that in first year we are having lab course for 50 marks in first sem, 50 marks for second sem. In second year, lab course is of 100 marks. 100 marks for third sem, 100 marks for fourth sem. Same for third year. 100 marks for fifth sem, 100 marks for sixth sem. Isn't it? It means that 200, isn't it? And 100, isn't it? This is 400 and this one 500. Means 500 marks for practical purpose. 500 marks for practical paper. For practical. And theory, for theory, that is 100, 100, then 120 marks. Isn't it? 400 marks for theory. 400 marks for theory. It means that, indicate that practical course has more weightage than theory. Practical paper have more marks than theory paper. This is due to the because of student should acquire the practical skill. There are various skill sets required to become a skilled chemist, isn't it? It means that right from calibration of glassware, calibration of instrument to detection of some element, detection of some advanced separation, various practical techniques, crystallization, isn't it? Then distillation, separation, isolation, synthesis, isn't it? Then analysis, ore analysis. So all these the aspects are coming under the practical heading, practical skill. That skill sets are required for the to become a skilled chemist, isn't it? The knowledge which we are gathering in theory courses, that we want to practicalize, that we want to practice in practical session, and we want to develop while learning these aspects, while learning these magics of chemistry, while learning this various we are going to learn the chemistry with responsibility. We are going to learn the chemistry with responsibility, and we are nurturing the chemistry among the students. That is our goal. Nurturing the chemistry with responsibility, because chemistry develops an approach. Chemistry develops an approach to have to hold the responsibility, isn't it? And that is required. That is required skill. Okay, chemistry makes you responsible because we are using the harsh chemical in laboratory. We are using the corrosive acid, bases, then various solvents, inflammable solvent, and while using these things in laboratory, automatically student is become a responsible person. His personality become responsible, and that is expected. Okay. So use yourself as a student should have this approach, and we are going together. We are having a journey. We have a 3-year journey. Okay, so after 3 years you will become you are getting your destination, and we also, because after every year one batch is we are releasing one batch who are getting this some skills of chemistry, and we are become happy. We the teacher become happy to nurture the chemist, to grow the chemist, isn't it? So that we want to expect. So with this brief introduction, learn the syllabus pattern, exam pattern. Already a PDF copy of syllabus is sent to you on the WhatsApp group. So let's read that syllabus. Let's learn the content, and in next lecture we will continue our teaching right from first chapter, very basic concepts, fundamental concepts of chemistry, inorganic chemistry, then general organic chemistry, right from nomenclature, isn't it? right from nomenclature, isomerism, and various techniques in organic chemistry. So that we want to develop. So with this brief plenary session, we'll continue with next lecture in second lecture. So with this we want to stop here.